are now going to start. We are, as always, going to be trading binary option live, where you can copy every single trade I do if you want to. Okay. Now I'll just check that we have all the sound and everything in order, and we'll get to some trading after. So just bear with me while I do so. There, looks like we are live. Now I will just make sure that all sound and everything is in order. There. Okay. Then I think we can just get started to do some trades. I will, let me set up push live trades. Let's move this over to, no, this is to live traders. We're not copy trading. My trades, there we have it. Okay, let's move that under there. Then I think we have everything in order. Let's just close some of these things here. I will just set up also so I can see the chat. Let me see. So any question you have, you can just type in the chat and I will see it. I'll see. That seems to be okay. Okay, then we have things in order. So now you can just write in the chat and I will see it on my second screen here. Then let's close some of these things here and we can get started to see if we find something good trade this Monday morning. I feel I maybe need to get a coffee a little later, but let's see. A little tired from morning. Now out of the bat, we do have a trade in the top here. Let's just mark it. As we are early in the session, this might be an option for us a little later. Let's zoom in and take a look. We have more than 4 trials, so this one is good. Hopefully it's still a thing. It is now, this was 6:51 and it's now, let me see, now it's following my time zone. That's beautiful. So 30 minutes more or less. So else up here looks like it's forming something. Let's mark that one first. We do have 4 tests here, so do you know what? We are going to trade line up here. We are going to do that. It's just 4 tests, but this might be something. So let's put 200. Let's give this signal also. Binary options sell line 4. This is for Aud CAD. It's not a good line, but we have 4. Actually, we have more. I'm saying wrong. We have 2. There are actually 3 here also. So the line is actually quite good. It's at the 0, 88, 11, 52. There we have it. I will take a screenshot of this. There. Now let me just give this signal to the users that are not following our session live. I'm ready to push down if you come up there. We are getting very close to our trading. And I'm in there. Got a good entry. As long as you don't break, we should win that one. looks like we are winning our first trade of the day. And we won that trade. Beautiful. So then we are now $95 profit. That was a very good start. And let's go in again. We got a bad entry there. I was a little slow on the trigger. But let's wait and see how it pans out. I take one more there, just so we have two. Maybe we get two out of the bat. Let's see. Now we need to wait. If we get the first, we can get both, I think. Let's see. Now we need to wait 5 seconds. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We lost the first. Not like that. Now let's see the next. And we won the second. Okay, cool. So that means we just remove $5. So we are $90 profit till now. Okay, let's go it again there. How was our entry this time? Let me check. Okay, looks like he's breaking. I take one up. Now let's see. I did put a hedge trade here. It's 5 seconds in between, so I think will go okay. I did that because he started to break up. So now let's see. We are now losing our first. Now I don't want to lose my second because that would be super annoying. We won our second, so then we lost just another $5. So then our current profit is $85 thanks to the hedge trading. Basically how this works is that when we see that he crosses the resistance just a little bit, we then take a hedge trade as close as we can to the original trade. So then we can just continue. We are not done, by the way, with this line, but as you remember, we do have a better one up here. So now we will wait for the one in the top there to trade on this line. So now let's see what we can do up there. We'll also start to see if we can find something else we can trade. Because this might take a little while before we get up to that line. Now, when that is said, we do have something good, looks like, on this pair also. So let me take a line and put it up there. We make that one a tick line there. Now let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's not a good line. When I see now, when you zoom in, we see that it's different heights. So disregard this one here. Let's continue to see if we find something else. Nothing up there. No, let's continue to keep looking. So from morning today we have a $85 profit. Let's continue. We will continue watching this one here. If we can come up to this line, we are getting now very close. We have the last little resistance here that we need to break through. If we can break this line up here, we will come into our trading area. So we will really keep an eye on this pair. So we will jump a little back and forward till we see that one. And you're welcome to write hey or something in the chat. That would be nice. So I know who is there today, if it's some of the regulars or if it is new ones. And then got a signal now on GBP CAD. Let's take a look at that from Gerald. Let's see, GBP CAD, let's take a look at that. there. Yes, I concur. That is probably a signal. I will mark it up at least and we'll take a look. Let's mark it there. Let's make it a red line. The thickest one. Let's zoom in. This looks to have been a good line for a while, so yes, let me reset the chart there. Yes. By the way, if you see you start to go out of the zoom in, zoom out, just right click and reset the chart. I figured that out. That's why the chart was not working for me last week. So basically it was that simple to fix it. And there, yes, we have Justin and we have Kyle, two of my regulars. So then now we are at GBP CAD, thanks to Gerald. Yeah, Gerald. Now let's see. We will do sell if you come up to that line. I will give that signal also. Binary options sell line for GBP CAD at 1:57.56.72. Thank you so much for the signal. I really appreciate it. Save us a lot of time so you don't keep looking for things. This is the way to go. Yeah, I love when we can help each other. Now let's hope we don't break too far down here now, but I'll still, that also give me a possibility to give out a signal for people that can't follow me live. So let's do that. There. There. Hopefully we can turn a $500 profit this session. That would be quite nice. Would be a nice start of the week. Now looks like we need to wait a little on this line. We will now go back forward and check on the another one. That one is also a little far away right now. Okay, let's keep looking while we are waiting for this two. We do have something in the bottom here. That's one we can mark as we are early in the session. We might get something here. So then now we have three. This one is very far away, but still we have it. So let's look fast one last time on each and every. Okay, we are getting closer now. Now let's follow on this one. I zoom in. I'm ready to push down if we come up to the line. Now let's see. Let's zoom in more. Now which this should work as a support here now, hopefully. I think it should stop there. So we can go up and get a trade. Let's hope we do that. As long as we stay above this area here, we will be good. Now looks like he wants to break more down. We don't like that, because that means we maybe don't get a trade. If we do that now, I will move on and see if we find something else. Currently we are just 3 people live. That is very low. Might because it's Monday, but typically we should be around 6, 7 at least, so it's a little low number. I will, by the way, do a live session 1 hour today, but I hope this number start to go up. Let me see if you all are doing your job and like this video. No one, okay, there, yeah, no, I see now, we got 3 likes, okay, cool. It's very important everyone push the like button so we get more people in. Now let's see. I think we can start safely to look at something else and keep this one as an option for later. Let's start with this one. Here we do not have nothing. Even if we have something, we will need to wait. Let's take this one. We might have something in the top here. Let me take a look. Let's make a horizontal line here. Let's make it the thickest one. Let me zoom in and take a look. Let's move it a little more down. There we have something. We can trade that. If we come up to that line, we will take it. This is on Switch trans against Japanese yen. The line is at 145.7298. This line we will easily trade also. Let's see. We are ready here also. We will switch in between the ones that you have open also, but here it looks like we get a trade now. And oh, I got a very bad entry. It was a super fast move up and super fast move down. When he moves fast, it's difficult to get a good entry, because there are a small delay when you push the button. And we broke it. In the exact time I choose to go in one more time, we broke the line. And he's moving so fast that I can't even put a hedge trade. So that was quite disappointing. That means we probably will lose $200 on this one now. I might get lucky, he shoot down below my first entry. And we lost it, exactly. That was super annoying. So that means we lost $200 on this. We are total $115 minus on this session. That was annoying. Now let's go back to this one. Here we are close. I will put 30 seconds and go in there. And he broke that line also. Monday morning, yes. Then we probably will lose that one also. Looks like it. Then I put minus 100 more. We are $250 down right now. So let's go and see the other ones. That one and that one. Okay. Okay, then let's disregard these two. Let's take pairs below that one. Let's start here. Okay. Now I will not trade that one because of this one here. Let's continue. Now I did open something I'm not supposed to open. This is EUR/CAD regular. Sorry. Now let's see. Here I don't see nothing. Any regular here today? Let me see. We need to put EUR GPY. Now let's see. Here I do not see nothing. Euro against dollar. Can't say something here either. It's so much very much and don't see nothing. GBP CAD, that's the one we had. Let's see. There's something in the bottom there, but now I will say that it's too far away. Now let's see. The top here, I see nothing. Here we just broke a line, I can see. Almost the same time like the another GBP pair shows the break, and that was actually a very good one also. So only see how unlucky we were that we chose to break index in that time. I do not see anything here. See nothing here. Nothing. Nope. Let's us take a line here and see if a line can cover this spike you see there. Let's see. Let's take to the thickest line and see. No, we see the spike there. We don't like that, so we can't trade up there. And we see here also it's irregular, so we remove that. We are now coming to the bottom here now. So then we have gone through everything. That means we need to restart. Today it looks like we need to work a little harder, and we see that this line also have been broken, but we do have a new one up here, so let's see how that turns out. If he stops there, yes he do, we will trade that one. I'm in there. Let's hope he don't break that one. He broke it, of course he did. Not surprised. Not surprised at all. Looks like you want to break everything these days. We do have one more up here, so we will keep an eye on that one. Now we are down 300. 315. Let's see if this new one up here is something. But yes, today is the day. Lines are broken. So we started very good this Monday, but now start to be slow. So let's see if this one, he looks like he want to break that one also. Of course, this line was very old and was not many tries. And I did mark it correctly. Now let's move on. This start to be boring. Let's take the next. Let's close this one here. Now let's take a look here. We might have something. Now we really need a good line so we can turn things around. Let's see. We need now we need to take 4 trades to turn profit, and 4 good trades, that is. Now let's see. It's like this, some days we need to work harder to get our targets. And you see we have something up here also. Let's turn that to red. Now let's see. And let's zoom in more. I think we need to move it a little more up, around there. These are just 1, 2, 3. It's not something good. Now let's see. Justin came with Australian dollar against Swiss francs. That's the one we are on. Actually, I did not see. Maybe you did write it before I did see it. I just did see now that you did write it. We don't have many tests, so we have a few. Let's wait and see. The one on top here, I'm a little conflicted if I'm going to take the first trade up there because I like that 4. But that's just, we are down by the way. I probably will take it. Let's see. I don't like that he's pushing so hard. Let's see. I don't like when bars are moving because we have a big chance for bad entry. If it was not for bad entry, we would not have been we would maybe been 0 today. Let's see, we are ready. Also make sure if you want to copy my sessions, this is not a regular session. You can see I have some losing trades here. We are down for the day $315. This is not regular. Typically we are printing money. So if you want to be copy what I'm doing, make sure you sign up with the broker you see in the right side. And if you see this as a recording, you find the link below the video. And also make sure you use the promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. Now let's see. I am ready to go again. Today have been the day lines gets broken, so but I was not fast enough, but he broke the line, so then it's good we did not enter by the way. I was still following the bottom, but I think we can start to look at something more. While here we do have something also. Let's mark that one. We take it to the bottom there, we make it the green and the thickest line, and we move 30 and we are ready. That's it there. Oh yeah, bad entry. Take one more there. 2 bad entries, perfect. That's what you like. 2 bad entries. Now let's see. And 1 more there. Now we have a lot of entries. Now I hope we don't break the line because then we will be fucked. And the line got broken and we are losing like crazy. Perfect. Can't be better start than this. Today we are really doing amazingly. I am so... Is it possible? Amazing. Today will maybe be one of the biggest losses we have in a day. There we lost a sweet $400. This will be hard to recover. $715 minus. This might be turning out to be one of my biggest losses on screen. So if you enjoy seeing me lose money, then you are in luck, because This is going bad. Now we really need a good recovery. Thankfully we have 30 minutes left, so it's still possible to recover it, but this will be hard. I will say quite possibility that we will lose money on this session. So let's see. Now let's wait, we are not trading in the top, so let's continue here. We might have something in bottom here. This is the day everything breaks, so let's see. We put a line there, we put it green, we put it the thickest line, we put 30 seconds, let's see. If I just can get one good entry, so I don't need to go in more times, that would be nice. The problem is when you get bad entry, that's why I lost $400, because I tried one, I got bad entries, I got two, I got bad entries, and I tried to recover it with two more entries, and he broke the line. So that's why we lost 4 instead of just $100 on one pair. That's what I hate when you get a bad entry. I know I should not go in more times when I get bad entries, but typically he likes to break the line when I start to go in too much. And of course, that I guess as we are in an OTC pair, that might be the broker see opportunities. We never know, but it's possible. So, but by the way, this account is built up from $100. The strategy do work perfectly, and we are making money every single day typically, but today is a bad day. Much thanks to this this one here. This one did break a little. Possibility for us to turn 0 today, but I will do my best. So let's see if we can turn this day around and go in 0, then that will be one very great comeback story. But let's see. And every time when you change in between the pairs, remember to change to 30 seconds, because he automatically put for 5 for you when you change in between. Just so you don't do a mistake, because this mistake I have done myself a lot of times when I'm trading, and it's super annoying when you take a trade and you see that it's 5 seconds. Basically, sometimes you can get lucky and you win, but it's basically when you trade for 5 seconds, it's gambling. But if you're a gambler, that is perfect, but I am not, so. Now let's see up here. No, let's just continue. I will go back forward and follow the ones. We can close this one. Follow the ones we have open, just so we can see. Here we're getting close now. I'm scared to go in. Yeah, I felt he was going to break it. I did not even take it. Yeah, I felt he was pushing too hard down. Today is the day lines get broken. This is super boring. So, and thankfully I see that people at least don't like to see me lose money, because I see we are just 4 people live now. We were 7, that means people like to see me winning at least, so that is good. But it's not good that we are in minus. We need to work hard in this session to at least see if we can turn this around. So this might be session number 9. I feel the numbers that go faster up now. It's 9 for a full year of trading that we might lose money. So there, this number have grown a little faster the last few sessions. Okay. At least we are not martingale and things like this, so I'm satisfied that at least I keep a clear mind in that way. Only thing that annoys me that when I get bad entry, that is something I will think about. If I will, when I get a bad entry, I will just take the loss. I think I will do that in the future, because I see that is the biggest problem with my big losses. So in the next time I will not go in extra time because to get a better entry. I think there is the place I can make myself be better. Now let's see. So thing is, even I still are learning. I see my mistakes and I've tried to work on them, and my mistake I see is that. So when I get a bad entry, I will not go in more times. That is what I will do from now on. Now we do have something in the top here for GBP COD. Is it something amazing? No, I will not say so, but it's still within my rule. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tests. It's a little higher than the previous one. Let's see if we can take some trades there. Basically I will need 8 winning trades to turn this around. That will not be easy, but it's really possible. We have done that many times before in past sessions, so let's see if this can be a good recovery story for today. Because we are $700 minus in this session, so we need to work hard to see if we can turn this into a zero. This session I will be happy with that. Now let's see if we can come up to this line here. I see now that I have put the line a little too high. So let's put it a little more down there. I think we have it. If we can just come up there, we will do some trading. Now let's see. We will need a good green bar now to get up there. I hope this can go fast, because if we're going to turn this around, we need to start to get some trades. Let's see. Okay, he's moving a little along now. Let's see. Okay, good. Now we're getting closer. I'm ready. I'm in there. Oh, very big delay on the trade, but we got at least a good entry. I will now keep my fingers away. I will not try to get a better entry. Let's see if we can get this $95. Now we need to wait 14 seconds. I really hope that we can start to turn this around and start to remove from the minus. Looks like we're winning this trade. Now let's see. We are winning that one. Perfect. Then we can plus 95. We are now 620. Okay, let's see if we can turn this around. We can do it on this pair if we can just get a lot of trades here now. I'm ready, and come on. Now we need basically 7 more trades in profit to turn this around. That is possible. Now let's see. But yes, if I can turn this one into a profit session, that will be a super comeback story for a day, I will say. So now let's see, we are ready. Because I don't think I have ever turned around a $700 to zero before. So if I do that, that will be the first. And then basically I think the biggest loss I had in a session was 1,000 something. So let's see now. So this, I think this for now is the second biggest. Even with 600 is now, I think it's the second biggest loss I ever had in a day. So let's see if we can get it smaller at least. Now let's see. I'm ready. As long as this line is not broken, we should be able to turn things around a little. At least get the minus to be smaller. That's it. We have a big delay, so that's a big problem. Might be my computer is a little slow today, but I have a big delay when I push the down button. I think it was like 3 seconds delay last time. Now let's see. And we are really waiting. How long time do we have left on this session? We have been 40, so we have 20 minutes. So there should be possible, if we can just get a good line, it is possible. And if this is the line, it is possible that we can turn 0. I'm in there, good entry. As long as you don't break the line, we should win that one. Then our minus should be 500 something. Basically 525 should be done, the minus, so we are getting better. But he's still pushing hard up, so I don't know if this will turn into profit. Yes. Cool. Now it's getting better. Now it's 525. We are doing good now. I'm in again. Bad entry, but I will keep my fingers away. Let's see. If we win that one, we are down to 400. Then I'd actually start to believe that we can turn this around. That would be amazing. Yes, looks like we're going to win this one also. Or 3, 2, and yes. Now we are at minus 430. Cool. Now I actually start to believe that we maybe can turn this around. We were 700 something in minus, now we only still 400 left, but that is actually very possible with the time we have left of this session. Let's see. Now let's see. Ooh. Just needed to come up again. I will now check. Should I check the other ones when you have also a good weight line? I think we stay here for now. If we break below here, and I will start to check another. No, looks like we maybe will come up again. So we are currently minus 430. We need 5 more trades to turn profit. I will consider that we go in 0 in with 4 more wins. Let's see. Okay, now I think we start to check back to this one. I'm not sure if I'll trade this line. Not here. And this one is a little far down now. Let's see what happened with this bar here. If you choose to come in again, we will. It looks like now maybe this will turn into resistance. It looks like we'll do. Then we need to move on. But we did gain back some money there now, so it's not so bad, the minus. So let me see how long time we are left now. Now we still have 15 minutes left, so it's really possible to turn this around. We had a super bad start of the session, but now we are starting to win a little, so things are turning out to be better. But we are still down minus 430, so we need 5 more winners to turn profit. And if we turn profit in this session, that I will say will be amazing. So then only show that stick to the plan makes thing go. Now we maybe if we get one more test here now, we can start to trade here. Let me mark it. If this one holds now, we will start trading on this line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't count 100% this one, but let's see. And he broke the line. That was not good. I will take another up also. So now we have a hedge trade going on also. If you're lucky, you win both. Let's see. Worst case scenario, I think here is that we lose both. Best case scenario right now is that we win one. Let's see. We won the first. How is that possible? That was amazing. Did you see that? It was 4 seconds in between and we have a hedge and we won both of them. I think that is super rare, but here now we're talking. Good to see that I can be a little lucky also, as I've been so unlucky in this session. $240 now. Oof. Yeah. With the unlucky things we was done here, we are really turning it around now with some luck here also. That is amazing. Now I really believe that we can turn this into a profit session. We are 240. We need basically just 3 more trades. With 3 more trades now, we will end up turning this into profit. And that will be the first time I have seen that much minus. I have had sessions before where we turn minus to plus, so we have a plus session, but that have been like 400 or 500. I never seen 700 before. So that is pretty darn amazing. Now the question, will I trade here again? And that is no, we will not trade this one again. When we see it break so easy one time, we skip it. We will need 2 more for me to consider that we're going 0. We were lucky on the last with the hedge, where we won both ways. That is something I think I never done before, especially when it was just 4 seconds in between. That was pretty amazing to see. Now let's continue. Nothing here. We will continue watching this one here. That was a good line for us. Let me see if I move it down. It's only 2 tries. I can't be picky either now when we are down, but also we are just down $200. It's not a big deal. No, I think I will be careful. Let's keep to the rules. If I start to break my own rules, that is not good. Let's keep it to that. No. Here it was something a little while ago, but you see he broke. Oh, let's move on more. New Zealand. I don't see nothing here. We still need 3 more trades. I think we have 10 minutes left, so there are more than enough time. If we can just find a line, we can start trading again. No. With 2 trade, I will consider that we did manage to go in 0, because the loss will be tiny. Now we might have something in the bottom here. Let's take a look. Let's make it the thickest line. I would like to see test one time. We just have 3 tests. No, I think I did see him break, so that's why we do 4 tests. Let's take a look on this one again. We are moving away from the line. We need some more trading here now. Okay, this starts to be something. We have 4 tests here now. If this one holds, we might start to trade here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. If this one holds, so if we can close up above around here, that would be nice. We will not trade on this one right now. We need to see that it's holding. If it holds, yes, just see it. I came directly into it now. We are thinking alike today. Let's see now if it's holding, at least. I'm still waiting. I know we have one here, but I still want to see that this one is holding now before I start trading, because he has been so irregular here. So if it holds now, I'll trade on the next bar. So if we can just get 3 more wins now, we turn profit. 2, I will consider that I go in minus for the in 0 for the day. And that yet again, that would be amazing if manage that. I really did not think I would manage to do that, to be quite frankly with you. So now let's see. That will be the best comeback story for our long time. As we're trading $100, and you see the winning trades we have here now to recover all this loss we had here. That is amazing. So we are currently down 240. So with 2 more winning trades, yes, we'll still be around $50 down, but I will consider that is 0. But if we can get 3 more trades and 3 winners, return profit, then I will be stoked. That will be amazing. So now let's wait and see. By the way, today is just a small minus, by the way. It's not like a 700. So 200 is a regular from what I've seen the 8 other times that I lost for the last year. Now let's see if we can just get a couple more trades in. Let me see how long time we have left, if it's possible. We have still 7 minutes, so yes, it is still possible to turn profit. But then we need to start to get trading. I'm ready to go in. There. That was a quite good entry. So if we win that one now, then we are just 1 trade away to get 0. And 2 trades from profit. I will not take one more try. I know I like to take an extra trade, that I will not do it now. Keep my fingers away. And yes, we won that trade. Now start to look good there. Plus 95. Now we're just $145 in minus. Amazing. I'm ready to go in again. Let's see. 1 more and I will consider us to be in 0 for the day. There, good entry. Don't break the line. Don't you break this line now. Go up. Come on. Go up. Come on, 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 come on. Keep it like this. Yes! Now we are really doing good here now. Now I start to be super happy. There. Now I will consider us that we're in 0 for the day. If we can get 1 more, we are turn at profit. Then we did go from minus 700 to profit. just one more trade there. I'm in. Quite good entry. I think as long as you don't break this line now, we are turning profit for the day. Let's see now. Let's see. If I turn profit from minus 700, that will be amazing. Come on. we did actually manage. I was minus, my god. Now we are $45 profit. We were minus 750 almost. Look here what you have managed. Look here, I will take it to the big side. Look this, what you have done now. We did go from this terrible day and we did turn it to profit. So then there will not be a 9-day. I think I will stop trading there. I will not try to turn more profit now. After so many lines got broken that I did manage to turn this into a profit day. That is just amazing. I will say that this is somehow the best session I had, in the way that we did see that you can stick to the rules and you can still turn things around. I need to admit, I did not think that we're going to turn this session around into a profit day. After being $700 in minus, I really thought that this was going to be a big losing day. But when we can do something like this, only shows for you also that just stick to the rules. Don't break your rules, just keep to them, like you see I did. I did learn one thing in this session, and I think that can be a learning for you all also. If you get a bad entry, do not go in more times. Wait for that one to close and then take more trades. Do not do more trades with one when you have one bad entry. So that is something I will keep. I actually learned something from this session and I'm super happy with that. So yes, if I've taken more trades here, I think I would have won 2 more times, but I'm happy, by the way, when I did turn this around into profit. So I will be back again tomorrow. This was actually a very exciting session. I really hope you all did enjoy, and I see you all tomorrow. Have an amazing day.